Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Racist Woman Kicked Out of Chili's Over Disgusting Behavior.
On May 19th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a Chili's restaurant for a call of a woman yelling racial slurs at customers.
Don't hit my car no more. Don't hit my car, knock your...
Lady, get over here. Hey, come here. So what's going on? We already gotten a call about her.
I pulled in Kroger and she was trying to throw her hand up like a just like she needed a lighter. I was like, I don't have a lighter. So she punched my window. Like,
It didn't damn, but she just punched it?
Yes, sir.
All right. We already got a call about her, so we're going to handle it.
Okay.
Sorry you had to deal with that.
I didn't touch him.
Did you hit his car?
No, I didn't even touch him.
Did you touch his car?
No, I didn't.
All right, so what is going on with you here? They saying you're walking. They saying you're walking up to people's cars.
No, officer. What's happening is okay. So my friend would take a shower, and he's really like he's very
Hold on.
feminine.
Go ahead. So what are you doing out here tonight?
So he was said, take out step in the room and take a shower.
What specifically is she doing? I mean, she's drunk, but like, what is she doing?
I had to get she all over there. They had to put her out, taking her clothes off.
So
She came in here, went to the bathroom, and was using racial slurs towards the guests, so I asked her to leave.
Okay. So you heard her saying, like,
Yes.
what was it,
And she
N-word?
repeated, yes, three
Okay.
times to the point of I had to get her out of the building so the other lady didn't.
Okay.
But got her out, then she was out here just beating on cars. The other gentleman that was right
Right here, she said he.
Yeah, he had pulled in. He was clearly going to Kroger. She stepped out in front of his car, and he wasn't going to stop and give her money or whatever. So she beat on the side of his car.
So she's just walking out here hitting on cars?
Hitting on cars, trying to make them stop for whatever reason. Her jacket's over here. Her socks are in the bushes.
Well, she's drunk. And
Yeah,
I think she's got
out of it.
warrants. We're going to have to deal with this.
Corey, yeah, his mom drowned back.
So, were you in the store? Were you in Chili's just now?
No,
Well, they said you were in there using the N-word.
I've never been in that.
All right. Well, and why were you beating on that guy's car when he drove by?
I had no idea.
Well, that man was about to punch you because you walked up and you hit his window. How much you had to drink tonight? Huh? Have you been drinking today? Where do you live?
You ain't got North Ave. I think I've seen you before.
Hey, I want to try something.
Tori, Marriott. He's my he has his daddy is a lieutenant in the army, so we have like over that.
Works anymore.
So I think one of the things we're worried about now, because you told me.
Oh yeah. I want to see if this works.
They have affiliate. They have like power me.
Yeah, we'll get the man.
Okay.
We'll get the storm.
We just want to make sure you're safe, right?
N-word, you
We just want to make sure you
Yeah,
have
I'm
some
saying.
salt to drink.
Huh?
You saw some of it, didn't
Would
you?
you
Yeah.
mind? It's up to you.
It's Tori's over here and his daddy.
Hey, I want to do something real quick. Do you mind blowing in this? I want to see how intoxicated you are.
I do.
You don't want to do it?
Tori's here. I will.
Tori, who? Who are you talking about?
My husband.
Okay, you want to blow into this?
My husband's
You don't
right
have
there.
to.
Marriott.
Disorderly conduct.
No.
Damn. She married and acting like that, and here I am just single as a Pringle, lonely. Wow. And on YouTube. Unbelievable. Nah, I'm just playing. I ain't lonely. I am on YouTube though, and I am single. But damn, how'd she get a significant other, man? I'm out here, man. Golly. Something must be wrong with me, man. Yeah, but anyway, clearly she is definitely under the influence. Okay, you can see it all in her face. She can't even look at you straight in the eyes. She looking like this. You know, it's like, come on, man. Then there's a fine line between freedom of speech and hate speech. You know what I mean? So, but whatever. Either way it goes, you can't be out there making a ruckus, man. Gotta get her together, man.
Well, we got public
Maybe
intoxication.
he's
Hey,
right
hey,
over
turn around.
Yep, Sarge ready to get her together.
Public intoxication.
Fine, I'm blowing it.
You don't have to blow in it. I was just curious to see if it even worked. I mean, I can
He's right
smell it
over
on
there.
you.
It's right there.
1 second.
Hold on. If you want to blow into it, I'll let you.
I'll like. It's right over
I
there.
just want to see if it works.
I'm gonna hold on to that for you.
It's right over there.
Hey, if you don't mind blowing into this, you don't have to. I just want to see if this works. Here, I got. You want to blow into it for me?
Well, he's right over there.
You want to blow into this for me?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Put your mouth on it. Blow. 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 I don't even think it works. I was just trying to test it because it's been years. Yeah, I knew that. I just wanted to. But yeah, I'll go get the manager's number. Let's take her for public intoxication. She was in there screaming the N-word. When I pulled up, she had just beat on a guy's window. Yeah, we can do disorderly and public intox. We got a witness.
So, okay.
meeting book.
Officer, Sergeant.
Yes.
Sergeant.
Yes.
Can I speak to you for a minute?
You can speak to me anytime you want. What's up?
So, can I speak to you for a minute?
Yes.
Not try to finesse or nothing.
Uh-huh.
But Tori, the man I stay with,
Okay, well, you have a warrant anyway, but you're going to jail for public intoxication because you're drunk in public. You're in there screaming the N-word. We have a
that's
witness.
not right. What's my warrant for?
Well, I don't know, but you're going to jail for public intoxication and disorderly conduct. How you doing, sir?
Pretty good.
Yeah, sorry, we got to meet under these circumstances.
Yeah.
Rather it be sitting in the table in there.
Yeah.
I know you spoke to him. Can you just give me a brief rundown on what happened?
She went into our bathroom. There was a African American female in there. They came out yelling at each other, and so she had dropped the N-bomb, and then she continued to do it 3 more times to the point I said, hey, you just gotta go. You gotta get out. Like, you can't use that word in here. So sent her out here.
Good manager.
Kept an eye. She sat down in the middle of the road, and she started beating on cars trying to stop them. The gentleman that was over here, when he pulled up, she tried to stop the car, and he obviously wasn't going to give her money or whatever, and tried to slowly, and she just started beating on the side of his car. So.
And when you heard her say the N-word, was it end with the ER or end with the A?
With an ER.
Okay, I see that for the report. That's why. But I mean, either way, I'd still say it's the N-word she's going. But that's considered fighting words.
Yeah.
So, and you said you wanted to have her barred.
Yeah.
Just get. I'll still write a supplemental that I saw her doing it. But
That's considered fighting words, boy.
Walk over there.
Keep up, not the up on you.
Stop it.
I thought you said you weren't saying the N-word.
The white.
Okay.
Oh boy.
You ain't goddamn never.
What did I do to you?
You wish you know. Shut the fuck up, you goddamn. The f***ing talk about you goddamn dumb.
Oh shoot.
Oh yeah.
Lean her forward.
Like that.
I got a spit mask. Stand by.
There you are.
You just earned yourself a spit mask.
hey, Christy, it's over. It's over. Let's stop doing this.
And we got to put this on you because of the actions you've taken so far, okay? This was because of actions that you took. This is not something you like to do.
That's part of the disorderly. Walk her back to that car and we'll let him. Christy,
Nothing. Where are we going? What are you talking about? Flying, I got him banging. Ass. Fuck you talking about? Hey! Stop! Okay.
Do you have a grip fob already?
Yeah,
What are you talking about? What?
Have a seat.
I don't got it.
do we have to hop on your legs?
Have a seat.
You have a sack of me.
No.
Our goal is not to shackle.
Are you going to cause problems back here? Put your feet in.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct, battery on law enforcement, and resisting arrest.
Wow, good job, man. Good job by those officers. I think good job by the store manager. Good job by the officers. You know what I mean? Because, you know, the way I feel it, man, I feel about it, I call it right down the middle, man. It don't matter if you black, white, Hispanic, Asian, whatever. You treat people how they are treating you. You know what I'm saying? About their actions, their behaviors. There's shitbags in every race. You know what I'm saying? And that's why, you know, like I said, being in these, I said this a little while ago, you know, being in this body cam niche and stuff like that, you really see people true colors or internet warriors and stuff like that. So many hateful comments that come through. You know, I read every comment. I filter it out. You know what I'm saying? If somebody is, you know, N-word this and N-word that, or black people this, black people that, or if we're doing, you know, Hispanic this, like, it's like, it's not happening. You know what I'm saying? Not on this channel. You better go somewhere else. If you got that hate in your heart for a particular race, go to another channel, man, because we look at the individual as an individual and we judge them based on their actions, not because of their particular race. But yeah, anyway, I think the cops did a great job, man. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.